Hi everyone, I'm Mr. D. I've been a high school teacher for the past 26 years, and I've also been trained in ballroom dancing. Over the years, I've had the privilege of choreographing over 100 quinceañera waltzes. Trust me, I've seen what works and what doesn't. Choreographing a beautiful quinceañera waltz doesn't have to be stressful or overly complicated. It just takes good planning, creativity, and consistent practice. In this video, I'm going to give you my proven 5-step process so you can create a memorable waltz that looks professional and feels magical for the quinceañera and her court.
Choreographing a Quinceañera Vals, or waltz, requires planning, creativity, and coordination. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to help you create a beautiful dance for the quinceañera and her court. We will cover 5 key steps: planning the dance structure, creating the choreography, rehearsing with the court, adding a special touch, and preparing for the final rehearsal and performance. Step 1. Plan the dance structure. Choose a song that fits her style, traditional or modern. It should feel like a waltz, preferably in 3/4 time, but 4/4 songs can work with adjusted counting. Aim for 2:30 to 3:30 minutes. Decide the participants, usually the quinceañera with her chambelanes and damas. Structure the dance with 3 main sections: a short intro, the main waltz, and a strong finale. Next, create the choreography by mapping the music first. Count every beat in the song, writing it down to divide the music into sections. Once mapped, you can choreograph the intro, breaks, lifts, underarms, and the finale. Listen to the song and write down the beats. In 3/4 time, count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 4/4 songs, the count is 1, 2, 3, pause. 2, 2, 3, pause. 3, 2, 3, pause. 4, 2, 3, pause, and so on to give it that valse feel. All great waltzes are built from simple basics: forward/backward walking steps and side steps. The foundation is the box step. In the first part, the guy steps forward with his left foot and then to the side with his right. The girl starts backward with her right foot and then to the side with her left. The second part reverses these steps. Practice this slowly until it's smooth. This diagram illustrates the basic box step used in the waltz. It shows the movement pattern of the feet in a box shape. Step 2 continued: creative elements. Once the basics are solid, add creative elements. Elegant underarm turns and dips, partner switches or group formations, lifts, only if the dancers are comfortable and trained. Make sure the movements use the full dance floor naturally. Step 3. Rehearse with the court. Practice makes perfect. Use a space at least 20 by 20 feet, about the size of a 2-car garage. Most dance floors will be that size. Start rehearsing 2 to 3 months before the quince. Begin once a week, then increase to 2 to 3 times a week closer to the date. When rehearsing, teach the basics first before adding complexity. Evaluate the dancers and adjust the choreography as needed. Do not teach the entire waltz in one session. Build upon previous practices. Finally, ensure smooth transitions between sections. This will be the most important part. Practice posture and frame from the beginning for elegance. No one likes partners who slouch. And focus on timing and fluidity to refine synchronization. Key dress tips. Gown hem should be at least 2 inches off the floor to keep the partner from stepping on it. All dresses should have straps. Strapless ones tend to slip. For step 4, add a special touch. Optionally, incorporate props like flowers, hats, or handheld candles to enhance the visuals. Consider soft lighting or fog effects to create a dreamy atmosphere. The final step is the performance preparation. Have a full dress rehearsal with outfits and music. Encourage stage presence through confidence, smiles, and graceful movements. If a mistake is made, do not stop. No one will know. There you have it, my complete 5-step system that I've used for over 100 waltzes. If you follow these steps, your dance will be beautiful and stress-free. Drop a comment. What song are you thinking of using? Or which part are you most excited about? If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with other families.